Nestled between coastal paradises, behold this prestigious 8-bedroom haven, a sprawling beachfront estate spanning nearly 3,300 square metres, a luxury retreat meticulously crafted for the discerning few. An opulent facade and lush gardens welcome you into a world of unparalleled luxury and timeless elegance. Entertainment reigns supreme, an elegant foyer, a haven for leisure and relaxation, offering unparalleled amenities and grandeur. Elegance meets functionality in this home, a seamless flow of exquisite living spaces, a chef's delight, and an ambience designed for unforgettable gatherings. Multiple pools, lush gardens, and direct beach access. This retreat transcends expectations in every detail. The pinnacle of luxury living in North Queensland, this estate embodying sophistication, innovation, and a plethora of exquisite features. A haven for the most discerning connoisseur of luxury.